A while ago, I installed a tow bar electric kit on a car without problems. This week, I used the exact same universal wiring on another car and just couldn't get it to work. There were some parts missing and I didn't have the right tools. And after already spending much more time on the job than I should have, an error message appeared on the dashboard. The customer got impatient and even worse, the next one was already waiting. Eventually, this job only cost me money. When I got home that evening, I started my search for a more efficient solution, and I found ECS, who deliver tow bar wiring kits that are vehicle specific. Only original adapters are used, making the kits very reliable. All parts were sent to me quickly and ready to use. Thanks to the excellent manual and video tutorial, I had the kit installed in no time. And when I had a question about the installation, I spoke to an ECS service employee on the phone who helped me a lot. Please check their website www.ecs-electronics.nl or www.ecs-electronicsuk.co.uk.